'Tis the season to be merry, but to also keep safety in mind. Toro Hospital says more than 13,000 patients are treated each year due to holiday-related accidents. Dr. Meredith Maxwell explains the safety risks that come with decorating and cooking this time of year. Good morning, Dr. Maxwell.
Good morning.
So what are some of the most high-risk threats this time of year?
So big high-risk threats are pretty much ladders.
Okay.
33% of people go to the ER for ladder injuries. Wow. Christmas tree fires, and certain decorations like poinsettias for dogs and babies and kids. Those leaves can fall on the ground and they can eat them and hurt themselves. The artificial snow can cause asthma exacerbation, shortness of breath, that kind of thing. And also the angel hair can irritate the skin and the eyes. You have to watch out for those kinds of things.
Yeah, I would never even think. I mean, the poinsettias always look so beautiful. You don't think about little dogs or cats or something if they're down on the ground.
They are. So you want to put those high up and you want to clean the leaves whenever you can.
Okay, great. So another tip, alcohol. You should probably stay off the alcohol maybe when you're taking those decorations down and using the ladder.
Exactly. You can make poor decisions with electricity, for instance, and going up and down the ladders if you are imbibing. So I would suggest leaving the holiday nog for after the decorating. So that's always a smart idea. Ladder safety is huge. So look at the safety limits on the ladders. Not only your weight, but the weight of the decoration that you're trying to hang. Make sure it's clean, dry, the steps are safe, they're not broken. Maybe have somebody hold that for you. That leads to a lot of injuries during the holidays.
I'm sure you guys over at Toro see a lot of people coming in with cooking injuries. They might not be used to cooking, they get into it for the holidays, and then problems happen.
Right. Well, distractions. I mean, you're cooking so much more than you usually cook. You are probably distracted by the TV, kids running around, trying to wrap presents all at the same time. So I think that's the big thing. A lot of people are disabling their fire detectors, their smoke alarms. That can be extremely dangerous. So 80% of people admit to doing that during the holidays. You don't want to do that, especially with a dry Christmas tree going on. That's another thing I wanted to mention. Look for a Christmas tree where the branches are not snapping and there's lots of sap. Really make sure that water is in the base because that can lead to a big fire. So just be careful with your Christmas tree.
With the cooking injuries, I guess, is it most common to see people with burns coming in?
Yeah, definitely. Burns and kitchen fires. So people that aren't used to cooking, people that are distracted, lots of people gather in the kitchen. You kind of want to, deter that activity because more people can cause more chaos.
Okay. Well, Dr. Meredith Maxwell, thank you so much for coming in and giving us those helpful tips this morning.
You're welcome.
Everybody stay safe while you're cooking and putting up those decorations, right?